Welcome back to Last Week Updates, where tomorrow's cars arrive a little early. And today's story isn't about speed alone. It's about how luxury, space, and electricity are reshaping the road ahead. This isn't just a van. The Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX is a rolling statement, a bold reminder that prestige doesn't have to shout to be powerful. It's playful, confident, and quietly revolutionary. Volkswagen has a history of changing the world on four wheels, from the original Beetle to the legendary microbus. The ID Buzz GTX carries that legacy forward, blending nostalgia with a vision that's unmistakably futuristic. This model isn't just inspired by history, it modernizes it. Now step inside. The size immediately feels generous, with a flat electric floor that opens up the cabin. Seating is designed for real people, real journeys, and real comfort. Rear passengers get space to stretch, relax, and enjoy a lounge-like atmosphere, while premium materials and ambient lighting elevate every seat, not just the front ones. Underneath, the electric GTX performance setup promises confident acceleration and smooth, silent power. While final specs may vary by market, expectations point toward dual motor capability, intelligent all-wheel drive, and efficiency tuned for both city life and long-distance cruising. On the road, it's calm, refined, and technologically advanced, a vehicle that feels smart, effortless, and forward-thinking. The ID Buzz GTX isn't chasing the future, it's carrying it, with tradition in its DNA, innovation in its core, and luxury redefined for a new electric era.